all the panels might be down, but there's still a lot of work to be done. So right now I'm gonna clear out all of this so I can start putting panels inside after their supports are taken off. And I'll let you in on a not so secret, but it is probably the most important thing for me building the haunt right here. We like to call this the Oracle. It's a running joke because when I can't remember what the plans are, we consult the Oracle. So basically every single panel that we have is in here in detail so that if we want a particular effect or hole or scare, whatever, like this is our lattice scare right here, if we're going to have that, we need to make sure we have panel number 1, etc. And of course they're all numbered. And if there's like notches cut out or something's painted on it or just whatever, some of them are just black on the outside because I like to keep it a mystery what's on the inside. But anyhow, as I said, we got tons and tons of these and my hands are dry and I can't turn the pages. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to redo this. Yay, so much fun, because a lot of these are not correct anymore. Like you can see, these are corrected. It's a smaller amount for the wrong number. There's holes in these, etc., etc. And some of them are painted now. So that will be a long task, but right now it's all about breaking it down and putting it away. Haha, I finally did fill this up. So they need a bigger container because all the screws that are holding all the panels together also need to go in there too. Yay! Oh yeah, we got a ton done. Almost one entire stack finished and put away. The weather's supposed to hold for a couple days, so we're just gonna leave this stuff on the outside. And all the ones that I didn't really like that were leaning up against that one, we have now put over here if we didn't already break them down. So that's why it looks like we did a little bit less than we did, is because all of these from here on up are the ones that were over there. But we got all those done. I do believe we got one taken off the top here. Wasn't really the priority. It was this one, which had some panels right about there that were bending because of how I put them on top of each other. And that's what we've done with that one. So I'm so glad for the help. Got done so much more today than I would have by myself. And yes, it's looking good. Just gonna finish putting stuff away, doing some cleanup, put the stuff away nicely, like you know, electronics, lights, props in their bins, etc. So that's how we're doing today, and I'll definitely be back tomorrow and the next day as well. By the way, thanks so much for hanging out and checking out these videos. I really appreciate it. I, as a home haunter, really love the behind the scenes sort of stuff, so that's what I like to show as well. You know, how I make things, how I do things, because when we first started getting these, we had no idea what the heck we were doing. So if anyone can learn anything from me, at least learn the things not to do. So there we go. See y'all later.